So the focus really last week was on the World Economic Forum in Davos, but it quickly shifted towards the coronavirus, and as a result, it's really been about risk-related flows, especially when it comes to equities and safe haven assets like gold, yen, and bonds. Now, in terms of central bank announcements, we had 3 of them: Bank of Japan, Bank of Canada, and the European Central Bank, all 3 opting to keep monetary policy unchanged. So what about this week? Starts off a bit slow. We get Germany's IFO business sentiment figures, as well as some housing data out of the US. On Tuesday, picks up a little bit. We do get durables as well as API's oil inventory estimates, but it's really on Wednesday where we get another central bank announcement. And this is the big one, US Federal Reserve, and they're expected to keep monetary policy unchanged. Now, on Thursday, we do get the Bank of England's monetary policy announcement, but in this case, money markets have sort of been pricing in, majority pricing in, just majority pricing in a rate cut out of the Bank of England. We have been seeing 2 members consistently voting for a rate cut, but they're going to need 3 more votes to get it to happen. So it'll be interesting to see whether or not they're going to reduce rates. There's also going to be preliminary US GDP figures as well as preliminary German CPI. What about on Friday? Well, we're going to get a string of data out of Japan. There's going to be unemployment, CPI, retail, Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing PMIs out of the Eurozone, preliminary CPI and GDP, Canadian GDP. So plenty of items across the board. But for the UK, largely symbolic at this stage, but we're also going to get Britain exiting the EU. So that's it for the week ahead. Up next are COT figures from all of us here at IG. Thank you so much for watching. Happy takes.